Okay, I'm just going to be going over looking for buys using the SuperTrend strategy. It's a pretty simple strategy. It uses two time frames, a higher time frame and a lower time frame. We're going to be using the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Also, I'm going to be using the Forex Simulator. If you're interested in this software, it's for the MT4 platform. The link will be in the description. Okay, so we're just going to go to the data center here and make sure. We're going to use the pound USD. We're just going to update it and make sure that it's up to date. Okay, and we've got the economic events calendar down below here. We can just update that and just make sure. Okay, everything's up to date. We're going to close that out and we're going to start a new simulation. We're going to go up to the pull down menu here for the instrument and go to the pound USD. And I'm just going to make sure that it's on the last day of simulation is March 1st, 2019. And we're going to go over to the start of the simulation and go to February 25th. Okay, head back, February 25th. Okay, and we're just going to use our spread to fixed, and it's going to be 20 points, which is 2 pips. And we've got initial history on charts. It's 15 days back, so that's good enough. Start the simulation. And now what we need to do is add a couple charts so that we see the charts when we're doing the sim. Click on the charts, and we're going to use the standard chart. There's other charts we can use. They've got the seconds chart, range chart, Renko chart, and also the tick chart. We're going to stick with the standard and go to the 4 hour. We're going to add that. You can see it's just put it up top here. We're going to do the same with the 1 hour. Add it. And now we're going to open both charts. Okay, now we can close this. And we're just going to make these charts so that we can see them side by side here. We'll put the 1 hour over to the left hand side here, and we'll put the 4 hour to the right hand side. Okay, now this is just going to, this box shows you the day and also the time here. We're just going to put that in the lower corner. And now we're going to put our 4 hour, which is going to be our higher time frame for the SuperTrend strategy. We're going to put on the higher time frame SuperTrend template. And we're good to go. And now we're going to put the lower time frame on the 1 hour chart. Okay, now we're good to go. We're just going to pull up the indicators list here, go to the trend report. I'm going to, for this strategy, I just want higher high and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. Those alerts only. I don't want all the alerts. So I'm going to turn this on. And just make sure that our sound alert is on as well. And we're going to hit OK. I'm going to go on a bar basis here. And you can see right now, if I hit the next bar, it's going to go based on the 4 hour chart. I just want to open this up and go to the 1 hour. And now each time I click on next bar, it's going to jump 1 hour ahead. And you'll be able to see that down in the corner here. Next, I want to put on my trade so I can see what's going on when we do take on a trade here. Put this up. You can see a couple things. This is market impending. We've got the history of the trades that we've took, our closed trades, statistics, it'll show us, and also the graph. So we'll look at that a little bit after. I'm going to try and keep this video fairly quick and just show a little bit here. So we'll put that somewhere down below so it's kind of out of the way here. Maybe we'll put that right in the middle here. Okay, now we're just going to jump ahead until we get a signal. And there we go. Our first signal here. Bring this up a little bit. We can see we got the buy. Signal candle has a higher high and a higher low. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll put our lot size up here. we're going to go to the, right now we're at pending, so if we buy or sell, we're going to sell at the market, or we're at the market tab. So if we buy or sell, we're going to buy at the market. We don't want that, so we're going to go to the pending, and we're going to go, our distance is pips, or in pips. Right now we're 20 pips. We don't want our stop to be that far up, so we're right there at the base of it. So we want to go about our spread, so we'll go 3 pips, and then just put the buy stop in there. Now we're going to go next bar, and you can see we got triggered down here. So now we're just going to hit on the stop loss, click on the visual move, so we can move our line and drag and drop. And we want to go down below the stop loss, including your spread. Hit accept, and now what we're going to do is go to the take profit. Same thing, visual line, and we want to target the 3-to-1. So this strategy, we're going for a 3-to-1 target. We're going to break even when it hits this, when it hits the initial 1-to-1 target, and then we're placing our stop below the candle, the trigger candle here. Okay, and that's it for this strategy. You can see this is green here. The super trend on the higher time frame is green. So we're looking for buys on the lower time frame, and that is it with this strategy. Now we'll do a couple trades here, and you can see we got a sell signal. We also got stopped out, so we're going to wait for another buy signal. Okay. There's another buy signal here. We're still green on the higher time frame, so we're going to take this trade. Place our stop above here. So what we're going to do, place our buy stop. It's going based on the price action here, we can see. So what we want to do is just modify. Down in the tab here, we're going to click modify, and we're going to drag our stop, including our spread, so just above the entry there. We're going to hit accept. Okay, and now we've been triggered here. What we're going to do is hit our stop loss down below this candle, because we're going to trail it up. Accept. And we're going to also do our take profit, which is going to be at the 3-to-1. Okay, and accept. Now we're going to click on the auto break even, because when we hit up to here, we want to break even our trade. So going from where we initially started, we're going to go up about 24. So we'll hit the set auto break even. When the order hits 24 pips in profit, we're going to set our break even to +2. Hit accept, and now we're just going to keep going. Now you can see we've reached this target, we went through it, it's moved our stop up to break even. We're just going to hit next, and we got knocked out at the break even trade. Okay, so we're going to wait for another buy. And there's our buy signal here. We're going to set our stop. Same thing, modify it. Put it up above the entry here, including your spread. We just got triggered again. Same thing, we're going to set our stop. Accept. Set our take profit. 3-to-1. Accept. Our break even is going to be 21 pips. Hit our auto break even here, set it to 21 +2. Accept. Now we keep going. We've hit the first target, moved it to break even. Almost hit our 3 to 1. And we've hit our 3 to 1 here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just go over to our little tools menu here, market and pending. Now we can see our history. We click on it. And these are the trades that it took. As you can see, we had a couple losers here. Minus 27 pips. We had a break even. And then we had a winner, which is 69. Got our statistics here. Shows us our win rate, our winners, our losers. And we can go over into our graph. So we've got a good win rate, and we did 3 trades, 1 break even, 1 winner, and 1 loser. So with the 3 to 1 risk reward ratio, you only have to be right 33% of the time, or 25% of the time to break even. So if you're right about 30% of the time, you're being profitable. So that's the power of the risk reward. We'll close this out, and I'm going to close this out, and I'm just going to reiterate what we're looking for on the buys. You get the higher time frame, you want everything to be green. Okay, and then you're going to be looking for your signals, your buy signals here. We filtered out. We've used the filter here. We've turned it on so that we're only getting higher highs and higher lows, or higher highs and double bottoms. Okay, we're going to take those trades. We're going for a 3 to 1 target, breaking even when we hit our initial target, and then we're putting the stop loss right below the signal candle. That's it for this strategy. Hope everything makes sense, and we'll talk to you later.